here. I'm supposed to be getting a package from the UK. A smoke alarm from the UK. And it's not what you might think. It's not in the electronics or anything like that. You'll see. Here they come. I need to get out of the way. Alright. Not mine, I don't think. Maybe that one. One of those two. That's it. Okay. Now let's see which one it was. That's definitely not mine. No. Yeah, here it is. It's this one. Alright. I gotta save this label. Like I said, this one came from all the way from the UK. I sound different. I'm using a headset here, Turtle Beach headset. I've been using that for my realtor browsing. That's right. I had this unlocked already. Well, man, I was a little late today, but might have had a lot of stuff. Okay. Looks like I can... Not that side. At least this side. The other side's a barcode, so that could probably be sacrificed. Put on my wireless charger. Take off the mask. I've been patiently waiting for it. Looks like I gotta cut into here too. There we go. Oops, I gotta cut through the barcode. That's okay. It's just a barcode. Now will it open? Yep. There it is. Servis smoke alarm. I can show you the sides. Boom. Like fire from a TV. Match. Cigarette and cord. Here's the back. Yeah, maybe. Alright. The top cover's already open. Okay. Here, ambulance. Well, here it is. Back of it. Looks like this one, except this one's got the label. Jeez, trying to get someone out of the way. Remember that happened in Austin. We were at this intersection, and there was an ambulance, or there was a pickup truck, an SUV, and then the ambulance. And the pickup driver was just sitting there. The car behind him was honking at him, the ambulance, we were even honking at him, coming this way. He finally moved. Later on, I look in the paper, the man was arrested for impeding an emergency vehicle or something like that. But anyway, yeah, even though the cover doesn't look like this, it looks like that. Notice how it's different. Only the one row of slots instead of the four like this. It's got the clear button. And open here arrow like this one. It's my IL 910 or 30, whatever. I was going to say 930, but then I said 910. All right. Jeez. There we go. Well, pretty much looks the same inside. A couple of different pieces of circuitry, like this one's got the potentiometer here, and this one doesn't. Same horn, except this one, has the UL listing, and this one doesn't. So here's the label. Alright. Got a battery. Let's see what it'll do. It'll make a sound. Okay. Well, it makes continuous. But it's not supposed to completely go off. For that long, I don't think. I'll have to check. Maybe it does. That's a good battery, I do believe. Anyway. And here's the manual. As you can see, this one, though, doesn't have that one row vent on here. Of course, maybe I had the button on, push down. That could be it. No, surprising it says installation, not fitting, like this. Or fixing. Flop. Alright, let's see. Because like I said, maybe the button was being pushed. So if I just connect it this way. Nope, it still does it. Well, let me check. Let me try stuff. There we go, I got it fixed. It was getting sensitive, so I had to adjust that potentiometer. I had to break off the glue thing. Oh! The battery came undone. And now it's going to do it again. Stupid thing. I'm holding that screwdriver. Connecting it, and so far it's not beeping. Gotta be careful though. Okay. As you can see, it comes on continuously, the LED, just like the horn. It's really cool. Not too many battery-powered ones use a continuous alarm like that. And of course, you've heard this one that does 4-6, or 5-6. I had it powered up this morning with a weak battery and kept beeping at me. Yeah, I'll adjust the sensitivity a little bit again, so it doesn't, waver and suddenly trigger. That's pretty cool, though. See, I'm not sure when it was made. Yeah, I like this design. I had saw it when I was browsing for vintage smoke alarms in the UK site, and I saw them. See, this is that glue thing, or epoxy, or whatever it was. I figured that was probably it. Over the years it's become more sensitive. Because when was this done? Let's see, made in Canada, of course. It's basically Dicon. Not sure what their model would have been. Could have been 300, like first gen of their 300. It could have been like 250 or something like that. Because their 300 basically looks like that. And later variants had the 3 bars here, and of course the white button and the circuitry on the base. Completely different base too. Yeah, this one's really cool. I like it. I say that I don't about all the alarms, but it's true. But anyway, I was looking for an alarm like this, and I saw this and I thought, that's cool, so I got it. A few weeks later, here it is. So one last beep for you. And here's what this would sound like temporal. March time. See if I can do 5-6. That's more 4-6. But whichever. Yeah, I really like it. This does kind of look like a big old booger. But yeah, I really like this. Very happy with it. Probably adjust the sensitivity again after the video. But there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.